Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be taking you through how to perform a capture and refund or reversal from your Magento backend and what the difference is between a refund and a reversal. To start off, you'll need to log into your Magento Admin and navigate to Sales, Orders. We'll start off with how to perform a capture. Find the transaction you're looking to capture and make sure the status is on hold. Select it. In the top right of the menu, you'll see the option to capture pre-authorization. Select this. Please note that captures from Magento will be the full amount, and if you wish to do a partial capture, you'll need to use the Truevo portal. Once the capture is complete, you will get a success message and the transaction information will be updated accordingly. Next, let's talk about refunds and reversals. So what's the difference? A reversal occurs when the funds from a transaction are returned to the customer before the payment has cleared. This means that the reversal request was performed the same day that the transaction took place, before midnight CET or CEST. For this reason, reversals are also the full transaction amount and will be as if the transaction never occurred, whereas a refund occurs when the funds from a transaction are returned to a customer after the payment has cleared. Because the transaction has been completed and the refund is a new transaction, the transaction amount can be fully or partially refunded and will show up as a separate transaction on the customer's bank account. To do a reversal, navigate to Magento, Sales, Orders, and find a transaction from today that has the status processing. Click on it. On the far right of the order menu, there will be an item called Reverse. Click on it. Once completed, you will get a success message and the transaction information will update accordingly. To do a refund, navigate to Magento, Sales, Orders, and find a transaction that is at least 1 day old and has the status processing. Click on it. On the far right of the order menu, there will be an item called Refund. Click on it. You'll now have the option to say how much the refund is for and how many items are being refunded and give a note if you wish. Once completed, you'll get a success message and the transaction information will update accordingly. This will take 3 to 5 days to show in your customer's bank account.